Google now supports more Indian cities for same-day Pixel phone repair. Google Pixel 10 series is launching next month, and just before that the company is making its support system stronger in India. Google has announced that its same-day Pixel support is now available for Pixel users in 21 cities in the country, which is a much-needed boost to entice more people to consider buying a Pixel phone and not worry about its repair and support from the company. Google has primarily relied on third-party companies to offer its service in India, but it also has Google-exclusive service centers in select cities. Same-day repair centers now live in 21 cities where 80 of Pixel phones are fixed the same day. Another way you can get support is by opting for the convenience of free doorstep pickup and drop through our mail-in service. No more https://t.coldb3rmrveg. pic.twitter.com/v1jmekey Google India July 16, 2025 Google Same-Day Pixel Repair Support in India available in these cities. Google's Same-Day Pixel Repair Support is now available in 21 Indian cities, their arena, and as you can see here, the support service from Google is increasing in India, and it is high time the premium devices get the right and effective support. Many Pixel users have faced issues getting their devices like Pixel phones, Buds, and even Watch repaired in the country, forcing them to look beyond the brand for their next device. Bringing services like these to more cities will help change that narrative. Apple's products cost a premium, but its service support has been lauded, and Google needs a similar model to match its rivals. The new centers with same-day repair service is available across all these centers, and Google says you need to submit your device for repair before 2 p.m. to avail the same-day support for walk-in and walk-out service. The company is also going big with its physical stores, enabling people to get a hands-on experience of its devices before buying them. Swipe left for next video. Google Pixel 10 series launch event date has been confirmed by the company for next month, and as rumors hinted, the new Pixel devices and AI news will be shared on August 20th in New York. The new Pixel 10 lineup is likely to include 4 models once again, including a new foldable, along with a new Pixel Watch version and maybe some new Pixel Buds too. Google's new Pixel 10 launch event will be live-streamed on its official YouTube channel. We're yet to hear about the Pixel 10 launch date for the Indian market. Latest blogs.